Can you really drive and GoPro at the same time?
You want to see me do it?
Yeah.
All right. Can't put any of this music in there because of reasons for YouTube. But man, I get a little wild in here. I'm gonna try to do my own selfie while I'm driving. I'm gonna try to do this. Alright, you're gonna have me shifting and then I'll pull the handbrake and I'll hand it back over to my other hand here. Here we go. So what do you think? We just did a complete selfie lap. Hey! You saw it. There is nobody in this car. We haven't stopped footage. Just me. Just little old me. What's up? What's going on, guys? Did you guys do your own video while you're driving, or?
Yeah.
You hold it while you're driving?
No, they don't do that. We got passages.
Oh, well, nobody was riding, so I figured I'd just go ahead.
You can get a mount that sticks to the top of your car.
Can you really drive and GoPro at the same time?
You want to see me do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's